Remember, I did a plan to get baptized, I can't just don't put them out. You understand? I can't just don't put them out because I did them before all of that. Alright, guys? So just understand. You don't understand, Lataya. You don't understand. No, all of we have bugu, but that big bugu there, you can't tell me what to do, Lataya. You can't tell me what to do. You are not God. You can't tell me what to do, Lataya. You are not God. So nobody feel like you can come bully me and call me down because I'm an idiot. And an idiot to not deal with. So just relax, man. And go learn about God, man. And God give me my talent and never man here. And God bless me with my talent. It's not man bless me with my talent, it's God. So you can go and talk off on the mouth. Yeah. God bless me with my talent. No man. Yeah. Yeah, you can't judge me later because I not judge you. I don't know nothing about you. I not judge you. If I did know something about you, I not judge you because I am not God. Yeah. Oh. Think you can't think me an idiot? Look for me good. Look like somebody with an idiot. Hmm? No, man, I not make them draw me out, man. I'm good, man. I'm calm. I love you guys. I'm on a journey. I'm on a journey. And I'm looking forward for the best out of my journey. May I take my time. It's a process. Are you alone or ramp with God, Tia? You alone or ramp with God? Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, darling. And that we don't know worry. Some things when I trouble, we don't always trouble it. You can't do me like how you do my boss. You can't do me like how you do Marian All. Yeah. You can't do me like how you do Marian All. I know Marian All this. Yeah. I know Marian All this. Yeah, no, my phone drop and break. My phone drop and the screen broke. So that's why it has shows so. My phone screen broke up. So I have to go get a next trouble. Me I confuse, I confuse on yourself. I confuse on yourself. I confuse on yourself. Nobody come tell no lie about me, but me I confuse you. I confuse on yourself. Anyway, to my people and my fans, I love you guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned so you can see everything we are going. Yeah, I go buy a new one. Bad slim. I not broke. I go buy a new one. But don't broke. It's a transformation. It's a process. But them a behave like them not understand. You understand? I now come and tell you no lie, that you for respect me for the truth when I come and tell you for respect me for come tell you the truth. I not left Psalms 23 and 27, I not left 91 and 35 neither, I not left 55 neither, I not left 51 neither. I know my Bible. I know my Bible. I'm going to take the people their money, so I forgot to do them sure. No, I'm not going to explain the process. I'm not going to go through the process with me. She upset and I just do it because I understand say them confused. That's why I do it. I have to clear up the ear. I'm not selfish. You understand? I'm not selfish. Human fairy Barb. Hi baby. Tanya Brissett, I see you. I know all of my real fans them, No, I'm still vexed about that big bugu there where they did in my nose. God know I'm vexed about that big bugu there. I'm vexed about that big bugu there. Alright, I'm going to post a video on my Instagram with me explaining everything, okay? I'm going to post a video on my Instagram with my interview with Zip FM today so you guys can have a better understanding. Okay? So I just come to talk to my fans them. I not come to talk to the people them that is not a fan of me. I'm a fans them I come to talk to. I say the bugu big. No sir, I never say a bugu big so yet baba. The bugu when it in my nose. Never see a bugu big so yet baba. No sir. And it not gonna be easy, you know, the process not gonna be easy. So I don't want to feel like me and God. I would never do such a thing. It not gonna easy. So all I need to do is just pray for me. Pray for me. Pray for me. Pray for me. Instead of you come and judge me and fling on a stone upon me. Just pray for me. I say bugu bigger than my nose. Somebody said the bugu bigger than your nose. No, sir. Wouldn't that easy? But me I go away now. I go away now. I love you now. Tanya, I see you, baby. Exotic Entertainment New York. I see you. I would have loved to stay a little longer with you guys. Forever shine Dan. Hi, Danisha. Love you too, Cap the Rider. Yeah, the process now go easy, people, but I need no love and support. Alright? Nobody chastise me. Nobody put me on a pedestal. Yeah. Please. Please, me and beg you. Alright? Love you guys. Mwah.